Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is one of the biggest page building softwares out there. It's a funnel builder. It will allow you to basically bring people through a sales process online and sell any type of product or service that you want. Okay, so whether you're a coach, you're a consultant, you're a product creator, you're an affiliate marketer, you're a multi-level marketer, network marketing, you can basically learn to create a sales funnel, a sales process online, and Clickfunnels is one of those many tools out there. Okay, it's probably the 600-pound gorilla of the sales funnel world, and I'm going to review this for you so that you can decide whether or not you want to get into this program, to use this program to sell your product. Okay, now the great thing is Clickfunnels has a 14-day trial so that you can check it out. After the 14-day trial, they have a couple of different levels. They have a $97 per month level. They have a $297 per month level. So it just depends on which level you want to get into. When you are in the $97 per month level, the only limitation really is you can only build 100 pages, okay? So I would start with the $97 per month level because it's not the cheapest tool out there. This is kind of like the Ferrari of sales funnel builders, page builders, but it's a very good tool, and I'll show you why, okay? So I'm just gonna log in. This is one of the page builders I use, but this is the main page builder I've used, and I've used it for a very long time, okay? So if you come down to funnels, all right, if you log in, you can create all sorts of different funnels, and you know, I build my entire business on ClickFunnels, right? So if you go to one of my brands is Invincible Marketer. This is an affiliate marketing training program. Let me just show you how easy it is for you to build stuff out. So like if I wanted to build, for example, a capture page, right? So a squeeze page, a capture page, that's going to lead people into my webinar, into my opt-in form or whatever it is. You would literally just come here and you would edit the page, and it's really simple. It's just drag and drop, and it's one of the most, I would say, simple to use, beautiful looking page builders on the marketplace, right? So if I didn't like this, I could literally just click in here and I could just change this. And I could change it into whatever you wanted to. So let's just say you were in the health space, right? So you could say something like, how I went from 254 pounds to 172 pounds of pure muscle in 12 weeks without starving myself or giving up my favorite foods. You might be in that space, and then you can edit all this. You can even add a picture. So if you wanted to add a picture, it would be very easy. You just add an element over there. You would add an image, okay, right here. And you can see how easy it is to do this. Now, obviously, I need the right image. So let's just say I was in the the weight loss space, and this was me working out, for example, and this is me jacked or whatever it is, right? You can change the size there. Maybe that's too small, maybe that's kind of how big you want it, and you can bring in other pictures as well, but this is just a quick little example. I don't want to dwell on this for too long, but basically you could change all this, right? And this would, you can change the way that this opt-in looks. It could be an opt-in directly on the page. This could be like, it could be a pop-up, and let me show you what the pop-up looks like. This is what a pop-up might look like. You can edit all of this very easily. It's drag and drop, and they've got great tutorials that will teach you how to do this, and you would save it and preview it, and people would land on this page, and then this would be basically the front of your sales funnel, right? Now, the beauty about, and I'm not going to save this because this is not my niche, but the beauty about building a page inside of ClickFunnels is that they've got a lot of different types of funnels that you can build. So they have a bunch of different templates as well, right? And they even have a marketplace, okay? So if you wanted to build a sales funnel, you can basically choose the industry that you're in, and you can even purchase different product funnels, or you can use they have a lot of free templates, by the way. I'm just showing you the paid marketplace. So if you wanted to copy, for example, this done for you, this is a book funnel, right? So if you have a book and you're trying to sell it online, if you wanted to copy this exact sales funnel of Sean Olsen, you just pay $147 and they'll give you her entire sales funnel. which is pretty cool. That means you're basically modeling other people's sales funnels that already work. Now, a lot of them don't cost anything, right? So there's a product launch funnel, for example, which is you don't have to pay for it. Okay. There's a video sales letter funnel that you don't have to pay for. And this is just the marketplace. So if you were to go to templates inside of the main sales funnel, there are a lot of sales funnels that you can use where you don't necessarily have to pay for them. Okay, so it could be a VSL, it could be an ebook funnel, it could be a sports funnel, it could be a tripwire funnel. Okay, and there's a lot of them that are free. Okay, so look at this 2-step tripwire funnel for Institute. All right, and it's very cool. You would just click on it, and basically they would show you how it works. Okay, and if you want to use it, you can just click on get template, and it will basically load into your system, and you would just use it basically. And it's so simple. All you would do is you would come over here, you would change the logo, you would change the wordings to match your industry, and then for your upsell page, you would create an upsell video. You would change the details of your call number, and this would be your PayPal link or your Stripe link or your link to your merchant account, depending on what you're doing. Right, downselling here. Maybe you're selling an affiliate product, so this might be your your ClickBank link. It might be your Digistore 24 link. It might be your Amazon link. I mean, there's so many ways to do this, and it really depends on the industry that you're in. But I like ClickFunnels a lot. Okay, let me show you some of my pages so that you can see how powerful this thing is. And it really depends on what industry that you're in. But I like them the most because it's very, very easy to use, right? And their pages are very beautiful. It's very easy to make your page look nice. Okay, so let me just show you some of my pages that I used from a template, and then I just customized it for what I wanted. All right, so let me just show you this. Okay, I don't want this video to go too long and bore you guys, but let me just show you. Look, you can go from very, very simple to like full sales pages. Okay, so this is a full sales page that I created because I sell my own products, and this is all built on ClickFunnels. You may or may not have seen this before, but this is a real sales page that I use that people buy from every single day. Okay, and this is all built on ClickFunnels. I took one of their templates, I just made it my own. I changed it. Look, you can put reviews if you want, and I've got 154 reviews here on this particular page. Now, this is a little tool, right? But all of this is just drag and drop. You drag images, you pop them on, you make a video, you pop it on, you create a button, you pop it on. Very, very simple. Okay, so that's a long sales page. But let me show you one of my simple value pages. Okay, where it's just like a title, a video, a button, and that's kind of it. And you might want a page like that because you might be doing affiliate marketing, right? Check this out, super simple, right? So I've got a header, I've got a title, I've got my video there, okay? I've got some words, and I've got a button, okay, that people can click on to go to my affiliate link of the product that I'm selling, or my own product, right? And then I've got a whole bunch of comments here, and you can see that, there's a lot of comments here. There's over 1,600 comments, right? Look at that. And these are all real comments in real times, 5 days ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, that kind of thing, right? So this is all built on ClickFunnels. It's very easy, drag and drop. They've got great tutorials. I love ClickFunnels, okay? The only thing that I would say about ClickFunnels, which I don't particularly like, is their membership setup, all right? So if you want to build like, a membership site where you're selling products, it's still okay, but I think that there are other software that has better membership looking sites. Like Kajabi is very good, Kartra is very good, but in terms of selling your business up front, so that means a page to capture your leads, right? Capture your leads, and then send them through a very specific process, like a sales page, a sales process, an upselling process, a downselling process. Nobody can beat ClickFunnels. I still think that they have the most beautiful pages. It's the easiest to use. It's drag and drop. Yes, it might be a little bit expensive, but even at $97 per month, if you do it right, you can make your money back really, really quickly, okay? But as a membership website, so when somebody buys something and then they get your their product on the back end, it's okay. I would say it's like 60 to 70%, 6 or 7 out of 10. There are better platforms that look nicer. Kajabi looks nicer, Kartra looks nicer. There's some other membership websites that are a little bit nicer. So if you want to use, you can tie them together. So that's what I do. I tie ClickFunnels with Kartra because I sell my own products, but it depends on what you're selling. If you're a MLMer, you're selling multi-level marketing, this is perfect. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you don't have to sell your own product, this is perfect. If you're selling a book funnel, and you're delivering the book very simply on the back end, this is perfect. You know what I mean? There are still multiple, 7-figure earners that also use ClickFunnels from start to finish. As not only a selling mechanism platform, that means a page builder, a funnel builder, but also a membership, product delivery website, okay, on the back end. And let me just show you one last thing, just in case this might be interesting to you. But you can also use this as a split tester. So you can go to stats, for example, okay? And I don't really use ClickFunnels so much for that. I use another tool to kind of measure the stats. But if you want, you can basically split test, different pages here. And the numbers aren't very big because I'm not very active on some of these pages that I'm showing you right now. But you can split test them and you can see which pages work and which ones don't. Okay, so you'll have an opt-in rate here, and it'll show you the opt-in rate. Let me maybe go to one of my pages so that you can. So there's a better example. Okay, sorry, I've got a lot of pages here, but let me show you one of the pages, one of my main opt-ins. And I'll show you the stats, so that you can actually, use it to figure out which page is kind of the best, and this is just the last couple of weeks, really, right? So you can see that, this page has an opt-in rate of 63%, this one has an opt-in rate of 56%, this one has an opt-in rate of 72%. So you can decide which page is working best, and then you can change them, and you can even do split tests within ClickFunnels itself, which is very, very cool, and it's very easy to do that. All you would need to do, basically, right, is if this was your capture page, you would just have to create a variation and change something small, and then they would just kind of do what's called an A/B split test, and then you find out which one wins, and then you just keep improving the one that wins the most. And you get better and more opt-ins, and you get more and more leads for the traffic that arrives at the front of your website. And that's if you want to do a split test. Okay, very, very easy to use. Very, simple interface. By the way, their support is very good. It used to be very bad, but at the time of recording this video, they have significantly beefed up their support, and it's really, really good now. I mean, you get responses in sometimes 3 hours, sometimes the same day. If you live in a different part of the world, maybe 12 hours, but very, very good. Okay, industry standard, like probably, if it's a 0 out of 10, they're probably a 9 or a 10 in terms of support. They're really good now. They used to be very bad, but they're really, really good. So I would say ClickFunnels is still one of the best. It is a little bit expensive, but it's still definitely one of the best. This is the backbone of my business. I use Kartra to deliver memberships on the back end, but in terms of selling on the front end, everything for me is ClickFunnels. All of my squeeze pages, my capture pages, all of my sales pages, all of my value pages, all of my standalone marketing static pages, I use ClickFunnels. It's a great page builder, it's a great funnel builder, and it works for pretty much any industry. Okay, offline business, online business, affiliate marketing, selling your own product, coaching, training. If you're a product creator, if you're MLM network marketing, if you're in drop shipping, they build drop shipping websites as well. Very, very good funnel builder. Okay, so if you want to check it out, I've got the first link directly below this video is my affiliate link. Okay, so if you want to give me some credit for this video, you don't have to, but if you would like to, the first link will lead you to ClickFunnels, and you can take a 2-week trial if you want. Okay, the second link is to my affiliate marketing training. Okay, so if you're on this page right now and you're watching ClickFunnels and you're like, you don't really know what you're doing, right? You don't have a product, you don't have an industry, you've never made money online, and you're wondering, Aaron, what am I going to use ClickFunnels for? Okay, I've tried all sorts of different industries, MLM, I've tried surveys, I've tried ClickBank, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've done drop shipping, I've done top tier sales, I've done a lot of different businesses. I still find that affiliate marketing, selling other people's products, is the best way to make money online, but you need to understand the strategy strategy to put everything together in order for it to work, if that makes sense, okay? So there are two links. The first link below this is my link for Clickfunnels. If you want to give me some credit, would really appreciate that, right? And you can get the 14-day trial. And then the second link below that is to get into my free workshop that will show you how I built out a multiple six-figure affiliate marketing business. So it's a step-by-step training that's going to show you exactly how to use Clickfunnels, all right, to build out an affiliate business where you're selling other people's products. So if you want to get into those two links, that's completely up to you, all right? But I hope you enjoyed this video today. And I hope you enjoy ClickFunnels, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Take care.